Assalamu alaikum, this is Bushra Online. I'm teaching grade 5 in Roots International, and today I've been asked to share my opinion regarding activity based learning. Now, why do we emphasize on this kind of learning? Because there are certain kind of things associated with it. It is very important and essential nowadays. As we all know that all the individuals are very complex and multidimensional. Every learner is different in nature, and for that purpose we need to tackle them. As a teacher, we need to tackle them differently. Most of us don't have that Einstein sized mind, and most of the time it happens that we intend to feel inferior because of the fact that we don't have that kind of IQ level. But there is a science and there is a research conducted by a Nobel laureate, Jack Henkman, who told, along with the other colleagues, who told after conducting many standardized tests and assessments that IQ level has nothing to do with the success of an individual. Actually, the personality traits matter a lot. And for the development of these personality traits, we need to work in the classroom as a teacher. So what do we need to do? We need to develop non-cognitive skills of the students. And how can we develop them? Now, very important question is that how can we develop them? By indulging or acknowledging the fact that we need to ask the students to get involved in certain kind of activities. Why do we need to ask them to get into certain kind of activities? Because this practice will stimulate their senses, all the senses, which is very important and which will prove to be very important and essential for them in the future. See, when they're asked to participate in different kind of activities or are asked to get involved in certain kind of conversations or interactive sessions, it not only builds their confidence, not only boosts their morale, but also helps them in the future, will also help them in the future in the practical life. It will take them towards originality, it will take them towards creativity, which is very important. They will learn to get something right out of wrong things or their own mistakes. Emphasis should be laid on the involvement of the learner in the classroom activities. And how do I involve my students in classroom activities? Like, how do I manage to get activity based learning in my class? I ask them to go for projects. Sometimes parents are involved, sometimes they do it themselves, they become familiar with the topic, and then I ask them to get into interactive sessions. They tell me about their points regarding a particular topic, and I tell them about my opinion regarding selected topics, and then we kind of have competitions. I indulge them in finding out certain information regarding the subject or the topic under discussion, and we keep on doing such things. Because of this fact that I keep them involved in my session. Not only the lecture becomes interesting and fascinating, but it also reduces the monotonous and boring routine that we all don't like. So I hope you have got idea regarding activity based learning via my video. I hope you are going to come up with your opinion regarding it after listening to this particular clip. Thank you so much. Thank you.